Okay. Ndewo no. Aha m wụ Quinette Ogochukwu Ohaya. Ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị nwere ime ewu ihe a na-akpọ ịgba ajụjụ. Okay? Ịgba ajụjụ a na-akpọ ya interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. So we're going to do that. How you can use some words in Igbo to ask questions. So we're going to say what it is in Igbo, English, and then also say what it is in Igbo. So I need you to pay attention. You don't need to be writing anything. You can write if you want to. You can write something just to help you to remember. But I need you to keep focused. I need you to be focused. I'm still speaking in English in this class because I know it's the beginner class. Okay, but everything we're gonna say in English, we say it in Igbo. So the pronoun, we've done it, but we're gonna do interrogative pronouns. When you say why, what, where, you know, so that's what we're gonna do today. Now I'm gonna share a screen. I'm going to share my screen with you. No, we're not gonna do that. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so let me get my screen up. It's not coming up. That's not this one. We're supposed to have a quiz today, but I'm going to move the quiz till next week or so until we finish this month. I'm gonna close it with a quiz. So I will forward. I'm going to forward the quiz. What is it? The Quizlet, the link where you are going to go over everything, because we're going to review everything from the beginning. So you get ready next week, okay? Go over. I'll give you more time to go over it. But today, let's do the interrogative.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
I have a question. So
okay, Chinwe, introduce yourself again.
Ahambu Chinwe.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
I had a quick question. So next week is the 4th of July. So are we still going to have class that Saturday?
No, that's okay. I will send information to everybody. You guys, I will let you guys know, but we are not going to have class. At least you have your holiday. But they will email us, so I will still send information to the forum, okay? Okay. All right. Interrogative. I said again, interrogative means asking questions. Okay.
I'm new.
So let me maximize it.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Me, Chia, Duma, and Tina are new here, but we don't know any Igbo words.
It's okay. That's why you're in the class, and that's what we are doing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I know you don't know it. That's why I'm still speaking English. That way you will hear me very well, all right? So don't worry, you're gonna get it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to do something here. It's not letting me. Okay, it's okay. Okay, we're not gonna talk in this class so that everybody will hear, okay? You wanna talk, you raise your hand. Okay, please. Let me see, I'm trying to get it back. Sharing the screen is running away from me. Come on. All right. All right. So we're gonna do this today. And I need you to pay attention to what I'm doing. Let's see. Everybody can see me very well now. So I try to maximize the screen so that you can see my face very well and what I'm doing. Okay. So. Okay, so we're going to do this today. And one of the interrogative pronouns we're going to do now is when you say what, okay? And what means, somebody is raising hand. We're gonna reserve questions. in the end. So wait, okay? I'll give you time to ask questions, but not right now.
Danny, it's machine.
I'll give you time to ask questions. Let's get to the class because I want you to learn something today. Number one thing we're going to do is ask what. What means you're going to Chioma, what? What is it? Okay, when we say what, it means what? Guinea, you're trying to say Guinea. What means Guinea? Okay, they're not letting me type. It means Guinea. Guinea means what? Now, Obina will say, Kamsi, Guinea, what is it? Okay, so what means Guinea? And then if you want to say, what is it? What is it? Okay, so you ask question, what is it? Guinea bụ Guinea ball. And then the ball, we need to put a point underneath it. We need to put a point. Point means bum. Point means bum. You call it bum. Guinea ball. What is it? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? Or you can say, oh, gịnị? Gịnị ka ọ bụ? Okay, so there are several ways you can say that. Ihe ahụ, all right? Gịnị bụ ihe ahụ? You can also say, ọ bụ gịnị? Ọ bụ gịnị? So don't forget, we're going to put points underneath the O. Ọ bụ gịnị? Okay. Abogene. Let's see. I'm going to change it. Abogene. All right. So if I want to Chioma, Abogene. Uchechi. Abogene. Okay. You can say gene bụ ihe ahụ. You can ogene ka obo. Ogene ka obo. What is it? That is the meaning. Now we go to number 2. We say who. You say who. Okay. When you say who means onye. Onye. We're just reviewing here. Remember, we've done it before. Onye. Now your mom or dad will say, who is knocking on the door? Who is knocking? Okay. Who is knocking on the door? Abu onye. And pay attention when we say abu onye means who. When we did the pronouns, we said he, it.
The pen does not.
Who is talking?
Oh.
Okay. All right, give me time. Let's get it done, and then I will give you time, the last 10 minutes, to ask questions. So write your question down. Deputa ajụjụ gị. Write your questions down. Means deputa, write them down. Deputa ajụjụ. Question means ajụjụ. Ajụjụ. Deputa ajụjụ ị nwere. Then you can ask me, okay? All right. Who is knocking on the door? Onye na-akụ na-akụ na ụzọ. Ụzọ means door. Don't forget, we did this before. Ụzọ means door. Onye na-akụ na ụzọ. Don't forget to put doors underneath, but we can do it now. Onye na-akụ na ụzọ. My symbols are not working, but I get it working, don't worry. Sometimes it start acting up. It's not working right now, but I get it working. So, onye na-akụ n'ụzọ, you can also say, ọ bụ onye, ọ bụ onye na-akụ na ụzọ. And don't forget when we did the preposition, we said na. You can also, see, you can do this instead of writing it. You can do this. it is the same thing as writing N-O. Okay? Ọ bụ onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. Or you can say, onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. They mean the same thing. Onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. Okay, your mom or dad or sibling will say, Uchenna, gaa lee onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. It means gaa lee means go check, go see, or go check. Okay, let's say Chioma, gaa lee onye na-akụ. Now let's use the other na. Onye na-akụ na ụzọ. Okay? Gaa lee onye na-akụ n'ụzọ. Let me see if my symbols will work now. I tried to do it before. It's not working. I don't know why it's not working, but I will correct it before I post it to you guys. Don't worry about it, but just know that we're supposed to put okay, I think it's working now. We can get it done. So gaa lee onye na-akụ na ụzọ. The U, which is O. The U with the dot is O. Okay, the O with the dot is O. Gaa lee onye na-akụ na ụzọ. Okay, so go shake who is knocking on the door. That's what it is. On the door. Ụzọ means door. And then another word for ụzọ. Maybe who is walking on the road. Road can also be referred like ụzọ. It is the same. But everything depends on the content where you use it. You can't just, when I say go check who is knocking on the door, it's not the same thing as go check who is walking on the road. So you base it on the content of what you are doing. Okay? Gaa lee onye na-akụ na ụzọ. Who is talking? No talking, no talking, okay? Not yet. I just need you to listen to me. Then I'll give you time to ask questions. Now, we have another interrogative pronoun. We have no noise, no talking. All right, let me block everyone from talking.
Yay.
I'll go back to everybody. That's a good one. All right, let me see here. Okay, mute all. You have your chance to ask me questions. So have patience. When did he? Okay, we have another word that say which, okay? Which one? You can say which one? Nke ole, nke ole, nke ole, nke ole. Which one is it? Oh, mommy, I can't find this. Which one? You told me to bring this. Which one? I have two, I have three. Okay, which one? Nke ole. Okay, nke ole. Which one is it? Kedu nke ọbụ? Okay, nke ọbụ or nke ole. So you can say nke ọbụ or you can say nke ole. Kedu nke ole or kedu nke ọbụ. All right, so pay attention. And then while we are doing this, make your notes so that you don't forget the question. When I want you to ask me any question, I expect everybody to have something to say. Nke ole maọbụ nke ọbụ. Okay, which one? And pay attention because you're going to make sentences with this. I'm not gonna give you a whole lot just to help you learn, okay? So don't freak out. This is a fun class. All right. Now, nke ole. Okay, so now let's move on because I'm trying to give you some words when it comes to that. When you say when are we going? When means mgbe ole, okay? You say mgbe ole. Mgbe ole means when. Okay, when are we going? Mgbe ole ka anyị ga-aga? Mgbe ole ka anyị, we, when, mgbe ole ka are we going? Gaga means going, gaga. Then you say, oh, Chinwe, mgbe ole ka ị na-aga ahịa? Ahịa means market. Ahịa means market. Maybe you're going to the shopping mall, or you're going to grocery, or you're going to Sam's Club, Walmart. So, mgbe ole, Chinwe, Uchenna, Chioma, mgbe ole ka ị na-aga ahịa? Okay, if you want to say we, Uchenna, mgbe ole ka anyị, it means including you, ga-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ means school. Okay, going to the school. Mgbe ole ka mama anyị ga-alọta? Mama, nne means our mother. When is our mother coming home? Mgbe ole. So everything, all this, mgbe ole. Okay, let me just give one example. I just want to get finished. Okay. Mgbe ole ka mama anyị ga-alọta? When is our mother? Mama also means nne. Okay. Nne anyị. Mgbe ole ka mama anyị or nne anyị ga-alọta? When is our mother coming home? When is our mother coming home? I'm gonna bring it down here just to let you know what we said. Mgbe ole ka mama anyị ga-alọta? All right, just 1 second. Mgbe ole ka mama anyị ga-alọta? When is our mother coming home? Mgbe ole ka enyi gị ga-abịa? I can say, okay, Niger, mgbe ole ka enyi gị ga-abịa? Enyi means friend. So I can say, okay, Chinwe, mgbe ole ka enyi gị ga-abịa? When is your friend coming? You can also say, mgbe ole ka our father's friend, you see, we go. Mgbe ole ka enyi papa anyị ga-ala? When will he go? When will he go? Mgbe ole ka ọ ga-ala? So remember all these things, how you put it together. But if you read very well your prepositions, your pronouns, and then you should be able to enunciate all these things. Okay, we need to keep it down, guys. Okay, let me mute it. If you just reserve your question later. All right, now, when is our mother coming home? Now let's move forward. Number 5. Okay, so we're going to say, we have one, you say, why? Why do I have to do this? Why means makagene. Makagene means, why will I do it? Why do I have to be the one? Because we all whine all the time. Remember, I know you guys can relate to that. Hey, mommy, why only me? Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to do that? You know, so now you know how to say it in Igbo. I need you to use this word, but stop questioning your mom and dad, okay? So if you are told to do something, do it, guys. All right? Why do I have to do this? Oh, why me? Am I the only one in the house? No, you are not. Okay. Okay. So why me? Why that? Why did you do this? Okay. Obinna. 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 Why did you do this? Obinna. Why did you do this? Okay. This is so we're coming there. All right, Obinna, why did you do this? Okay, Obinna. Gini, see, maka gini, you see, maka gini, see, gini ki jiri meya, you see that? Maka gini ka ijiri meya, meya. That's what it is. Maka gini ka ijiri meya. Obinna, maka gini. Remember the key word here, why? Ka ijiri meya, meya, that, this, okay? Maka gini, okay, why me? Why me? Gin, maka gini, Kojiri burum makagene. Everything why. Okay, now let's move forward. We have another one. Where. Okay, number 6. Where.
Auntie.
Yes, keep your question and coming, okay? All right, just write it down so that you won't forget to ask me, okay?
But I didn't get to write the other one down because
it's okay. I will post it and mommy and daddy will print it out for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, baby, don't worry about that. You get it. Ebe means where. Okay, and let me say this. Before you say something in the class, introduce yourself. Abum Amarachi, or you can say Ahambo Amarachi, or you can say Ahamwu Kosi. See, so say something because I need to know who is talking, who is asking questions. From there, everybody will learn, okay? So Ebe means where is it? Okay, Ebe ka ono, Ebe ka ono, Ebe ka odi. Kedi ebe ono. Kedi ebe ono. Just 1 second. I need to correct something here. All right. Okay. Ebe ka ono. Kedi ebe ono. So you want to know where to locate something, then you have to ask question. Okay, so we're going to say now, where did you put it? Okay, where did you put it? Ebe ka idebere ya. This E is referring to you. So I ask question, where did you? E is you. Where did you? Now, if I want to say, he or she, where did she? Okay, Ebeka, or, remember we said or is referring to he, she, it, okay? If I want to say, where did Amarachi put this? I can replace it with the pronoun, okay? Where did the Amarachi, where did she? If I want to say, where did Kosi put this, or Kamsi put this? So you replace it with the gender there. So don't forget, do not forget. If I want to say there, which is more than one person, there means ha, ebeka ha debereya. If I want to say you guys looking at you direct, and I'm talking to you people, the group of people, where did you people, you all, you people, you, all of you, where did you put it? Where did you guys go? Where? If I want to say all of us, okay, I said, oh, you want to know where we went to? Where did we go? You see, so this is, so there are so many ways you can put it. I'm giving all these examples so that you will know. Where is it? Where did you go? Where did you put it? Okay, I didn't say where you put it. Okay, where did you put it? Ebeka, E, which is you. E, you. Ebe kam, that M is referring to me, is a possessive pronoun. Ebe kam, dewereya. Where did I put it? Ebe kam, when I'm referring to myself, when I'm referring to you, looking at you direct. Ebe ka idebereya. When I'm talking about another person, ebe ka o debereya. Not you, but another person. When I'm referring to maybe your siblings, 2 of your siblings or 3, ebe ka ha debereya. It's a plural, okay? Ebe, but it is indirect. It is not direct. Ebe ka ono, direct, means all of you, okay? Ebe ka anyị means all of us, including myself. When you are responding back, you have to include yourself, which is we, anyị, okay? All right. Okay, so now, ebe ka I debere. Beka E. E is you. Debe. Re. Ya. Ya means eat. Ya means eat. Okay? Ebeka I debere ya. Ebeka O debere ya means she, he, or she. She eat. Puts it. Okay? All right. So this is where we're going to stop today because I want you to know this word. Use them at home. Now, I want to open up the stage now for everybody to ask questions, but we're going to take it one after another, okay? We're not going to be just say your name before you ask question. Say your name. Okay, go ahead and ask question. Okay, Ezinne is raising her hand. Okay, Ezinne, go on.
Afambu Ezine.
Good, I love that.
How do you say what time is it in Igbo?
Okay, time. First of all, you need to know what is time. Time is elekere. Let's put down what time is. We're still going to teach it, but it's okay that she asked the question. Time means elekere. Time is elekere. Elekere ole. Okay, she wants to know what time. Elekere ole ka ọ bụ, okay. Elekere ole na akụ. Let's do this. Na akụ. Don't forget N with the apostrophe is the N with the contraction and NA. It is the same, okay? Na akụ. Elekere ole na akụ. Put a dot underneath the U, but I can also do it. Elekere ole na akụ. All right. What is the time? What is the time? It's a question as well. What is the time? Okay. Any other question? Ezinendewo. Okay, 2 hands raised. Okay, let one of you, I can see your name. Go ahead and ask the question.
Ahambu Chelotam.
Chelotam, ndewo, ngwaju ajụjụ.
What's the difference between ya and o?
Okay, good job. Good question. Difference between ya and o?
Yeah.
Ya and the o. It's not o. Call it o. Can you say o?
O.
Good. Okay. Somebody else is raising the wait. Let me finish with her question. Okay. I'll give you time to. So okay. Now, yeah, it's when Chilotam, when you say when I say Chilotam, who did this? And you're trying to tell me that your sister did it. Okay. What's your sister's name?
Ezzy.
Okay, you want to tell me, oh, Auntie Ezinne did it. Instead of saying Ezinne, say, oh, yeah, you see, yeah, Ezinne mere, yeah, you see that? You are pointing at Ezinne. You can also just point at Ezinne and say, oh, yeah, you're pointing at her and telling me, it's Ezinne. You see what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, you see that? And now when you want to tell me, okay, okay, instead of telling me it's Ezinne, you're telling me Auntie it's you. You're telling me it's me. You can say, okay. You see that?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, now, ya is referring to somebody else. You're telling me it's another person that did it, okay? Now, all is okay, referring to he, she, it. You got it?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, so ya is referring to another person. If you miss the pronouns, please go back to the YouTube channel and then you see the pronouns. I want you to go over the pronouns. Then all is referring to he, she, it, she, he, it. Okay, so Go ahead. Another question. Somebody else raised the hand. Go ahead. Introduce yourself. Somebody go ahead. Go ahead. We have less than 5 minutes to finish the class because I don't want to load a lot on you. I want you to be able to master this. Somebody ask question.
Wait a second. There's remaining meeting time. It's gonna end in 4 minutes.
Thank you so much. Who is talking? Tell me, say your Huahage.
I said this because I see your board.
Tell me your name. Say your name in Igbo.
Emeka.
Okay, good. All right, I heard what you said, and you're correct. You are right. That's why I want you guys to ask me a question. We have less than 4 minutes.
So you added that?
No, ask me a question. Ask me a question. Remember last week I said, write your questions down. When you come to class, something you want to know in Igbo, ask me. If you want to ask questions from what we did today, that is okay. I want you to feel free, okay? We're here to learn. I want you to feel relaxed. Don't think that you're asking, no question is stupid or nothing. I don't want you to feel shy or feel like people will laugh at you. No, we are here to learn and I'm here to help you. Go ahead and ask your question.
I have a question.
Okay, say your name in Igbo. Kuahage.
Afam Ifoma.
Ifoma. Okay, ngwa. Juajuju. Juajuju means ask question.
Someone's using the chat for no reason and they keep writing.
Yes,
They keep writing.
yes, I keep telling them that this is the second warning and I will spare you. I know you. If you continue this way, I will take you out of the class and I will also tell your parents. I don't want this to continue. This is the class for everybody. If you are here to be shouting in the class, during the class, and while class is going on, I am going to take you completely out of this class and I won't let you in again. So you better take note right now. This is not what we are here for. After class, you can shout all you like. And parents, please, I want you, if you're assisting your child, make sure they're not doing this. If I call you, know that I'm taking your child out of this class because I've given them warning before and they continue to do it. So please take note. This is not what we are here for. They're distracting some people who are very, very serious. So we don't want anybody shouting during class. I need you to pay attention. Thank you. Any question? We have less than 2 minutes.
I have a question. Afambo
Ugochinyere.
So why does one particular word have to be a different meaning?
Well, that's good, Ugochinya. It's not like it's the same word, the same spelling, but they mean two different things. And then their tone, the tone means the way, the sound, the way you pronounce it. Like, for example, when you say azo, okay? Azo. Let me go down. When you say azo, you can also say azo. Now, why I said they mean two different things. Let's go down here. Let's say azo. Azo. So azo can be, we need to punctuate it. Azo means fish. Then the other one can mean azo, which is back. Okay? Now pay attention to the pronunciation. Azo, the first one. The second one, azo. You see that? Azo. The second one, azo. Now, azo, fish. Azo, back. Okay, so the class is over. You have a question, go ahead and post it to me, okay? And then I will get it and